How to sign a PDF online with Smallpdf. Remember back in school when you learned how to write in cursive? What a useful skill to learn. If you're like me, you mostly use cursive to sign your name. But if you're like millions of others who use Smallpdf's eSign tool each month, you need the ability to add your unique signature to PDFs. Lucky for you, we make it easy. Here's how to sign a PDF online using Smallpdf. Go to smallpdf.com. Choose eSign PDF from our menu of tools. Choose Sign a Document. Drag the PDF you want to eSign into the drop area. Scroll to the area you need to sign and select Place Signature. If you don't already have a signature stored in Smallpdf, you'll create one now. You can draw your signature, cursive optional. You can upload an image of your signature, or you can launch your device's camera to take a photo of your signature. Once your electronic signature is created, just tap Save. Now you can place your signature anywhere on the PDF. Just remember to click Finish and download whenever you're ready. Placing your e-signature on any PDF is easy and intuitive using Smallpdf. To access our eSign PDF tool and many more, visit smallpdf.com. Smallpdf, we make PDF easy.